Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 7.3. Ninth question. In a photographic process, the developing time of prints may be looked upon as a random variable having the normal distribution with a mean of 16.28 seconds and a standard deviation of 0.12 second. Find the probability that it will take less than 16.35 seconds to develop prints. Okay. So the question is a photographic process. So developing time, you need a time to develop the print. Okay, so the developing time is taken in random variable and in normal distribution, and mean is given here 16.28 seconds, and your standard deviation ST is given 0.12 second. So with that they are asking you to find the probability that it will take less than 16.35 seconds to develop one print. We'll have to find it. Okay, so given your mean is given 16.28. So mean is equal to, that is mu, that is equal to 16.28 seconds. And your standard deviation sigma is equal to, it is given 0.12 second. So normal distribution formula is your formula is Z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. So this is your normal distribution formula to find your Z. Okay, we'll have to find probability that less than 16.35 seconds. So we can write probability that less than 16.35 seconds. So that you can write it as probability of x is less than 16.35. When x is equal to 16.35, we'll have to find Z. Okay, so just substitute it here. So Z is equal to x minus mu. So 16.35 minus mu is 16.28 divided by sigma. Sigma is 0.12. So subtracting, you will get your answer as 0.07 divided by 0.12. The final answer will be 0.58. Therefore, P of x is less than 16.35. We can write it as P of, instead of x, you will have to write Z. Less than is there as it is. When x is 16.35, Z is equal to 0.58. So instead of 16.35, you will have to write 0.58. Now you will have to shade this region in your diagram. Okay. So shading in the diagram, Z is equal to 0 in the mid. So less than 0.58. So 0.58 you will have somewhere here. Z is equal to 0.58. So straight to that, just draw a line. And which is less than, okay, so this whole part will be less than 0.58. So shade this whole region. So this region we'll have to find it. So here you will have minus infinity and here plus infinity. P of Z is less than 0.58. That you will have to split it like this, children. That is from minus infinity to 0, then 0 to 0.58. If you add it, the whole region will be covered. So this you can write it as P of minus infinity to 0. Okay, so minus infinity less than Z less than 0 plus P of 0 to 0.58. Okay, so 0 less than Z less than 0.58. Since negative value is there, you will have to convert it to positive. P of 0 will come here, less than Z, less than minus infinity will become plus infinity. Plus your second part as it is, P of 0 less than Z less than 0.58. So now you will have to find this value in your normal distribution table. P of 0 less than Z less than infinity, so up to infinity. Here you can see it in your table. that is 3.9, it is 0.5. Okay, so after that everywhere you can see 0.5. So if it is up to infinity, your value will be 0.5 only. Therefore p of 0 less than z less than infinity, the value will be 0.5 plus this plus as it is. Now you will have to find 0.58 in your table. Okay, so 0.5 is here and straight to that 8. Okay, so 0.5 and 8 you will have it here. So the value will be 0.2190. So you can come back here. So 0.2190. Now you will have to add both, which is equal to 0.7190. So hence the probability that it will be less than 16.35 seconds to develop print is equal to, that is what they've asked you to find it. Okay, probability that it will take less than 16.35 seconds to develop prints is equal to your answer, that is 0.7190. So this is the answer for your 9th question.